If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. What's up, Royal family? Hope everyone is doing okay. It is time for another video by Miss O. Hey. All right, you guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to do pasta. We're going to do a lemon garlic linguine pasta with baby clams in a wine butter sauce. I know, that sounds all extravagant and it's so simple. Butter, wine, clams, garlic powder, parsley, linguine that I got at the farmer's market. I got to show you guys. It's really cool. But anyway, we're going to get started on this video. And also, I always want to say it before I start the video because I will forget. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to all of my ride or die subscribers. And if you like what Mrs. O is doing, please give me a thumbs up. And also comment in the section below. Just say something to me. I gotta know you guys are watching me, I gotta know you're feeling me, you know what I mean? But anyway, all right, you guys. I'll come back and I'll show you the ingredients. Hang tight. As Mrs. O always say, let's get this train on the track. Okay, here we go. In this bowl here, I have the juice of 1 medium lemon. So you want to squeeze 1 medium lemon and take the juice out of it. Also here, I think it's about a tablespoon and a half of fresh parsley. Here I got 1/4 cup of the clam juice. So you want to reserve that. Also, here are the clams that I get, and they are really, really good. I'm not really a clam person, but when I tried these, I really liked them. So they're Bumblebee whole baby clams, and it's the 10-ounce can. And what you want to do, you want to drain the juice off of them and reserve just 1/4 of it. Then you want to take the clams, put them in a strainer, and wash them. Rinse them off. Please rinse them off. Because one time, I'm assuming it's in the juice. It was something gritty in there, and I was like, ugh. So from now on, make sure you wash your clams in a strainer. Okay. And here are the clams right here. You guys, they're really good. I got everything covered up. Okay. This is the whole baby clams. Can you see those? And here is just 1 slice of a diced tomato. Of course, that's going to be for presentation. Remember I told you it's going to be a wine sauce? So I have 1 bottle of Sutter Home Pinot Grigio, if I'm saying that right. And I think we're going to use like a half a cup, a 3/4 cup of the wine. Here I have salt. I have garlic, granulated garlic. I have butter. And I'm thinking about using these, but I don't know. I wanted to do some, oh my God. I got peppercorns. I cannot believe I got peppercorns. I got the wrong things, you guys. Oh. Okay, but anyway, here's the pasta I was telling you about that I got at the farmer's market. So I only got 1/2 pound of the pappardelles lemon garlic linguine. You see that? They had all types of flavor. Tomato, spinach, herb. But I got the lemon garlic, and it's only a 1/2 pound since I'm going to make really just a small dish. All right, these are the ingredients. So let's get rolling. All right, in this skillet here, I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I have a 1.5 teaspoons of the granulated garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you like, but you want to take them out. Okay, we don't want this to brown. Just want to infuse the garlic in here. Okay, I think I got it a little too high, so I'm gonna have to cut it down. Next, what we're going to do is add the wine. You see that? Okay, that is about 3/4 cup. And we're going to let this cook for probably 3 minutes, because what we want is the wine to be dissolved in this. So about 3 minutes. Oh my God, that is smelling heavenly already. Sorry. About 3 minutes on low. And while I'm waiting on this to cook, go ahead and do 6 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, and get your water to boiling. Because what we're going to do the pasta al dente. Instead of cooking it for 10 minutes, we're going to cook it for 8 minutes. All right, you guys, let me get the pot going and I'll be back. Okay, I have my pasta on. Remember, we're only going to cook it for about 8 minutes. So we want it al dente. Can you see that? All right. Here is the butter and the wine. It's been cooking probably about 4 minutes. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to add the lemon juice. We're going to add the clam juice. And we're going to add a teaspoon, I hope this is a teaspoon, of parsley. Now we're not going to add the clams until last, because you do not want your clams tough. So they don't need to cook long at all. Maybe a minute or two. Okay, let this go for about, I'm gonna say 3 minutes. And I did add a half a teaspoon of salt, but you can taste it if you like. And I wouldn't add black pepper, but if you have some white pepper, feel free to put maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon in. Okay, we're gonna let this go for about 3 minutes. Then our pasta should be done. And right before we put the pasta in, we'll add the clams. All right, I told you this is gonna be quick, simple, but yet delicious. And also, let me say, put your pasta in, and at 4 minutes, start making this sauce. So that way, by the time the pasta gets done, you can just go ahead and add it to the sauce. So 4 minutes after your pasta has been on, go ahead and start this sauce, because it takes about, what, 4 to 5 minutes? And you want everything nice, hot, and incorporated. This is going to be so delicious. All right, I will be back. Okay, now we're going to add the clams. Okay, let's go ahead and add them. And let's just stir them around. And the pasta is also done. So let's just put the pasta in. And the pasta is al dente. And what I'm going to do, we're going to stir this around, and then we're going to add some more butter for the creaminess. So I'm going to say maybe 2 more tablespoons of butter to get a nice, rich, silky sauce. So when I come back, this baby will be plated. Boy, Miss So know how to do a quick meal, don't she? All right, coming back with the finished product. Okay, just wanted to show you. You see how the butter is making it creamy? So that is on your finished, your last step for the pasta. It gives it a creaminess. All right, we are done. Now let's plate this baby. All right, you guys, here is the finished product of the lemon garlic linguine with baby clams and tomatoes and parsley. It is so freaking good. I love the wine in it. I love the lemon and the clam juice. It just gives it a bright flavor. But I will say this, what I wanted to do was add some capers, but of course I showed you guys that I got peppercorns instead of capers. I think the capers will definitely elevate it to another level, to where it gives me a little more saltiness that I feel would definitely bring the whole dish together. But anyway, pasta turned out perfect, al dente. And you guys, it is hot, so I am going to see if I can show you guys this. Yeah, you see that? I can never just get a nice fork. Okay, I don't know about all this wrapping. You know, some people can wrap it, but see, lost my clam. All right, I got a tomato on there. I guess you can see the clam. All right, let me try this. Hold on. Yum, yum, yum. See? I'm trying to be proper, but I really don't eat pasta like this. Okay, hold on. Oh, wow. I am digging this. And the reason I put the fork back in is because I'm the only one that will be eating this. But of course, I will not be eating the whole bowl. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Again, please share and subscribe. And yes, I am going to start the culinary segment. I'm just trying to figure out a day to do it, which a lot of kids are starting back to school, you know, homeschooling. So I'm trying to make it convenient for them also. God bless you. And until we see each other again, yum, yum, yum. God bless you.